Flystrike, also known as myiasis, is one of the most alarming and distressing conditions that can affect rabbits, both pet and farm rabbits alike. If you're a rabbit owner, breeder, or simply an animal lover, understanding everything about Flystrike is crucial for ensuring the health and well-being of these gentle creatures. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive deep into what Flystrike is, why it happens, how to recognize it, and most importantly, how to prevent and treat it effectively. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, your trusted source for expert advice and smart solutions in animal care. Let's begin by understanding what Flystrike actually means. Flystrike is a condition where flies, mainly blowflies, are attracted to rabbits and lay their eggs on the animal's skin, usually around the rear end or any area that's damp, dirty, or wounded. Once these eggs hatch, the larvae, commonly referred to as maggots, start feeding on the rabbit's flesh. This isn't just uncomfortable for the rabbit, it's a medical emergency. The rapid progression of Flystrike can lead to severe pain, tissue damage, infection, and without timely intervention, can be fatal within just a few days. But what causes Flystrike in rabbits? The root of the problem lies in a combination of environmental factors, rabbit hygiene, and the behavior of flies. Blowflies are attracted to moisture, warmth, and odors, especially the smell of urine, feces, or infected wounds. Rabbits with dirty or soiled fur, those suffering from diarrhea, or those unable to groom themselves properly are at a much higher risk. Elderly rabbits, obese rabbits, or those with mobility issues often struggle to clean their back ends, making them prime targets for flies. Warm, humid weather, especially in spring and summer, creates the perfect breeding ground for flies, increasing the risk of Flystrike dramatically. Now, let's talk about the symptoms. Early detection is absolutely critical for saving a rabbit's life. At first, Flystrike may be hard to spot. You might notice your rabbit acting restless, lethargic, or showing signs of discomfort. As the condition progresses, you may see maggots crawling on or under the fur, especially around the tail, genitals, or any wound. The skin may appear red, swollen, or ulcerated, and there could be a foul odor emanating from the infected area. Rabbits suffering from Flystrike may stop eating, withdraw from social interaction, and may grind their teeth in pain. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to act immediately. Flystrike is a race against time. Prevention is always better than cure, especially with Flystrike. So how can you protect your rabbits from this deadly condition? The most important step is maintaining good hygiene. Clean your rabbit's living area regularly, removing soiled bedding, leftover food, and feces at least once a day. Ensure your rabbit's fur, especially around the rear end, is clean and dry. Groom your rabbit regularly to check for mats, dirt, or any wounds that could attract flies. For long-haired breeds, consider trimming the fur around the bottom during fly season to make cleaning easier. It's also essential to monitor your rabbit's health. Rabbits with diarrhea, urinary incontinence, or any kind of wound should be given extra attention. Address underlying health issues promptly by consulting a veterinarian. If your rabbit is unable to groom itself due to age, obesity, or arthritis, you should assist with daily cleaning and grooming. Additionally, consider using fly screens, fans, or safe repellents in the rabbit's enclosure to reduce the risk of flies entering. Some pet stores offer Flystrike protection sprays. These can be useful but should be used as a supplement to, not a replacement for, good hygiene. Let's discuss treatment. If you suspect Flystrike, time is of the essence. Immediately move your rabbit to a cool, clean area. Carefully examine the affected area and, if possible, gently remove visible maggots with tweezers. However, do not attempt to bathe your rabbit if it's in shock or severely distressed, as this can worsen the situation. The best and safest course of action is to contact a veterinarian urgently. Professional treatment may involve clipping fur, removing maggots, cleaning and disinfecting wounds, and administering pain relief, antibiotics, and fluids to stabilize the rabbit. In severe cases, surgery may be needed to remove dead tissue. After treatment, your rabbit will need extra care and monitoring. Keep the environment clean, continue regular health checks, and ensure your rabbit is eating and drinking. Rabbits recovering from Flystrike are more vulnerable to stress and secondary infections, so offer a quiet, comfortable space and plenty of fresh food and water. Now, let's address some common myths and misconceptions about Flystrike. Some owners believe that indoor rabbits are safe from Flystrike, but this isn't always true. Flies can easily enter homes, especially during warmer months, and any rabbit with poor hygiene or health issues is at risk. Others think only unkempt or neglected rabbits get Flystrike, but even well-cared-for rabbits can fall victim if environmental conditions are right. Vigilance is key. Regular checks and prompt actions save lives. Flystrike isn't just a problem for pet rabbits. It also affects those on farms or in commercial settings. Large numbers of rabbits kept in close quarters with inadequate cleaning are at extreme risk. For breeders and farmers, implementing strict hygiene protocols, regular health inspections, and fly control measures is essential to prevent outbreaks. Let's recap the key points you need to remember. Flystrike is a serious, potentially fatal condition caused by maggots feeding on a rabbit's flesh. Dirty fur, wounds, and underlying health issues increase the risk, especially during warm weather. Early symptoms include restlessness, pain, and visible maggots. Don't wait if you see these signs. Prevention is all about cleanliness, good health, and fly control. If Flystrike occurs, seek veterinary help immediately for the best chance of recovery. If you're passionate about rabbit care, share this knowledge with fellow rabbit owners and breeders. Educating others is one of the most powerful tools we have to prevent suffering and save lives. Remember, rabbits are sensitive, intelligent creatures who rely on us for their well-being. Let's do our part to keep them safe from Flystrike. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. We hope this guide has equipped you with everything you need to know about Flystrike in rabbits, its causes, symptoms, prevention, and treatment. For more expert tips on animal health and smart farming, stay tuned and subscribe for regular updates. Your rabbits will thank you for it.